Welcome to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is instruction on the commissioning and maintenance of Polo, Porcus and Compo air scrubber systems produced by Inno Plus. Commissioning. The aim is to test and adjust the installation, set up and start use, train the user and hand over the finished product to the client. Commissioning the chemical supply. First, check the emergency shower functions. Yes, turn it on. This is simple but very important. Check the contents of the safety cupboard. Is all the safety gear there? Before starting work on any chemical system, you will need to ensure all safety equipment is functioning and wear all required PPE. For further support, please contact us.